Hi, this is June Fernando from Ramfer Financials. Kamusta po kayo mga ka-RFF? Sabi nila, this 2025, maganda daw ang potential for earnings ng mga global stock investments. Much of the strong performance is actually driven by US tech companies or mga negosyong may kinalaman sa artificial intelligence or yung tinatawag po nating AI technology. Medyo naapektuhan lang po ito ng bahagya sa pagdating ng DeepSeek mula sa China. Pero overall, masasabi po nating maaasahan pa rin ang mga investments na may kinalaman dito. Kung kayo ay interesado ngunit di gaanong maalam pagdating sa mga investments na ganito, you may want to consider investing po muna through mutual funds na may global investing ang tema. Through mutual funds po kasi, meron po tayong mga professional fund managers na tutulong po sa atin at mag-aalaga ng ating mga pera. Gusto nyo na bang malaman kung ano po ang mga pwede ninyong options dito? Here are the 5 best global mutual funds in the Philippines. So, in no particular order po ha, simulan na natin. Number 1, the Sun Life World Equity Index Feeder Fund. The Sun Life Prosperity World Equity Index Feeder Fund is a mutual fund that allows you to diversify your portfolio by investing in global companies across developed and emerging markets. The fund gives you access to the global equities market in a single fund while enabling you to invest in Philippine pesos. Yes, you've heard it right. Ang ibig sabihin nito, kung wala po kayong available na pera na denominated in US dollars, hindi nyo na po kailangang magpapalit pa dahil pwede pa din kayong mag-invest sa global equities market gamit po ang inyong Philippine pesos. The fund po pala is suitable for investors with an aggressive risk profile and long-term time horizon. Para po ito sa mga investors na gustong ma-maximize ang kanilang potential returns by riding on the performance of the MSCI All-Country World Index. Nilaunch po ng Sun Life ang mutual fund na ito nung kasagsagan pa po ng COVID-19 pandemic. And to be exact, the fund was actually launched in July 6, 2020 with a minimum initial investment requirement of 10,000 pesos. To give you an idea, as of December 30 po, nung nakaraan na taon, ito ang ilan sa mga pinaglalagyan o pinag-iinvestan ng fund na ito. Apple Inc., Nvidia Corp., Microsoft Corp., Amazon.com, Meta Platforms, Tesla, Alphabet, and JP Morgan Chase and Company. Imagine that! Saan ka naman makakakita ng produkto na abot kaya na nakaposisyon ka pa sa mga tanyag na global companies na ito? The next fund is number 2, which is the ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund USD. Ang fund po na ito ay designed to offer investors a way to earn income and achieve capital appreciation through a diversified investment portfolio. The fund aims to provide regular income and long-term capital growth by investing in a diversified portfolio of global assets. It typically combines various asset classes including equities, bonds, and other income-generating assets upang mabawasan po ang risk at the same time capture the potential returns from different market segments. Para ito sa mga investors with a moderate risk appetite, given its diverse asset allocation strategy na ang hangarin po ay mabalanse ang risk and return. Ang maganda sa fund na ito ay nagdi-distribute ito ng dividends from time to time. kung saan meron pong option ang investor kung i-reinvest ba ito pabalik sa kanilang account or i-credit ito sa kanila in form of cash. Minimum initial investment for this fund is only $100. Interesting, no? Ito pa ang pangatlo, the Sun Life World Voyager Fund. Inintroduce ang fund na ito ng Sun Life last May 5, 2016. The Voyager Fund aims to generate long-term appreciation through diversified investments in equity and equity-linked securities issued by corporations domiciled in developed and emerging markets or di kaya sa pamamagitan ng diversified investment companies invested in such securities. Nababagay po ang fund na ito para sa mga investors na may aggressive na risk profile at long-term na investment horizon. Perfect po ito sa mga taong gustong ma-maximize ang kanilang mga US dollars at palaguin pa ito sa pamamagitan ng pag-ride on sa mga malalaking top-performing equity funds sa US and offshore. Ilan sa mga halimbawa ng pinag-iinvestan ng Sun Life World Voyager ay ang mga sumusunod: JP Morgan, Global Research Enhanced Index, BlackRock iShares Core, S&P 500 at Franklin Templeton US Opportunities Fund. Ang currency ng fund na ito ay US dollars at ang minimum initial investment requirement ay $500 lamang. Kung natutulog lamang sa ordinaryong savings account ang inyong mga US dollars, ay mas mabuti na lang ilagay na ninyo lamang ito dito sa Voyager Fund dahil for sure, over the long term ay mas malaki pa ang earnings potential na pwede ninyong maasahan mula dito. And so, the next one is number 4, which is the ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund, PHP. Pareho lamang po ito na nabanggit namin kanina. Ang pagkakaiba lamang ay ito ay denominated in Philippine Peso. The fund is also ideal for investors looking for a stable stream of dividends without sacrificing long-term capital growth. The fund invests globally in the full spectrum of permitted investments. Nilaunch ito noong June 1, 2021 at ang maganda nito ay ang minimum initial investment ay sobrang abot kaya. Imagine, 1,000 pesos lamang po. The fund is invested in BGF Global Multi-Asset Income Fund. And so, last but not the least is number 5, which is the Sun Life World Income Fund or WIF. The Sun Life World Income Fund aims to potentially provide regular income streams and generate long-term capital growth by investing at least 90% of its net assets in a target fund which seeks to provide a high level of income by investing in a variety of assets including equity securities, fixed income securities such as bonds, funds, cash deposits, and money market instruments. Bagay po ito sa mga investors with a growth-oriented risk profile and long-term investment horizon. Maganda ito sa mga kliyente na gustong makatanggap ng potential regular income payouts, ng gusto ng access sa global markets for diversification using their Philippine pesos, and naghahanap po ng affordable ng global-themed investments for long-term growth. Nilaunch ang fund na ito noong almost 2 years ago at bilang isang feeder multi-asset fund, ang target fund nito ay ang BGF Dynamic High Income Fund. Another good news is, sa halaga lamang na 10,000 pesos ay pwede ka na mag-invest sa WIF. In the end, kahit nagaano pa mang katataas sa mga pwede nating kitain sa mga global mutual funds na ito, importante pa din pong maging mapanuri, gumawa ng ating sariling pananaliksik, i-consider ang ating mga objectives, time horizon at lalong-lalo na ang ating risk appetite bago po pumasok sa mga ganitong klase ng investment instruments. Maaari nyo din po kaming i-message sa info@rampver.com kung nais nyo pong humingi ng tulong sa aming mga ekspertong licensed financial advisors. So there you have it. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa simpleng video na ito. If you have friends or relatives who might be interested of these kinds of contents, we hope you can share this video with them. And for those who haven't pa din po, we do hope you can subscribe to our social media accounts in TikTok and YouTube, Rampver Financial, so we can help more people fulfill financial dreams. Muli po, ito po si Jung Fernando saying thank you so much for watching, for your continued support, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay safe and God bless mga ka-RFF!